What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we have an all truck video. You guys have been asking for these, so we're gonna pop one out. Lots of Chevys, lots of GMCs, which means lots of Duramaxes. Oh, look who's here.
Who's always here.
Dizzle in Motion is in the building.
What's up?
Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. I'm leaving a link in the description down below, and I will be bringing Mr. Mike Dizzle out to another Copart yard out in the boonies of Nevada, which has nothing but awesome trucks and RVs and all that stuff soon. But with that being said, let's go ahead and roll this intro and get into today's video. Say it with me. Toasty. Like, look at the Silverado right here. Sunroof is busted, interior is busted. It's a high country too. It's a Duramax. The entire side panel, fenders, bed, doors, roof, pillar. I mean, this thing, I'm just gonna take a stab at it and say that they rolled this on its side. That'd be my guess. Oof. Oh, it's full of these. Oh, that busted. Oh, well, this thing is done. It's full of them damn make you sneeze, get in your lungs, seed thingies. Airbags deployed up top. Yeah, I'm gonna guess they rolled this damn thing. You see the exhaust is crimped out, back is all busted. That would be my guess. My guess is they rolled this joint. They rolled it. Not much for me to look at here. I mean, not saying that this couldn't be fixed. You know, the powertrain stuff's probably fine. But, you know, for a high country, I mean, a bed is a bed. But, like, fixing all of that pillar stuff here and everything else, like, I just don't see it. It just wouldn't be worth it. So we won't waste a lot of time on this one. We'll go ahead and go on to the next one. Which brings me to the everyman's working everyday truck. This Chevy Duramax with the Allison transmission, Chevy Silverado. It is a crew cab. The back window is busted out. You got the big cattle catcher on the front, ion alloys. Looks like it's got bead locking rims, huh? Okay, like that. 242,000 miles. That's nothing for that motor, to be honest. The back window is completely smashed out, so who knows what did that. Let's look at the rest of the body. She looks good. She doesn't look too terrible here. Okay. Oh, there we go. Right there. That smashed, bent the whole pillar and everything else, and cab and everything else, which is why that window's busted. The door's busted. Oof. Yeah. Powertrain vehicle. I mean, yeah, it's got 200,000 miles on it, but that's not a lot. I know some people like to shit on the Duramax, but it's a really reliable engine. So is the transmission. Oh, she's dead. Damn, whatever it hit, you broke the damn stereo too. Ouch. Oof. Well, we're running through these ones pretty quick, guys. I expected this to be like an hour-long video, but we're getting through this one fairly fast. I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell y'all. Let's keep it moving. Damn. How about a Ford F-150? It's got a light bar that's been broken. I don't know what this wrap is. It's got a wrap with some cool looking like skulls or whatever on the front. That's different. Rough country suspension. Wrap over the window or decal over the window. Okay. A Lund whatever that sticks on. Mayhem wheels. 169,000 miles on the clock. Does she run though? That is the question. And there's the big question of the day. We're going to find out right now, guys. Base model is hell on the inside. She runs. God, she sounds good. She's got lights too. I don't know what those switches do. We're going to look and see. know if it's an EcoBoost, but I like this solo cam. Catch us if you can. Woo, she's dumping fuel out the exhaust. I can smell it. Flex fuel. So she's a V8. Oh no, rust. So this is before the aluminum bodies, huh? That's a damn shame. That rust will do you in, man. Let's take a look at the interior, see what the deal is with it. I don't see any other damage outside of that in the front. The bumper and this right here is all I really see. She runs good. Look at that light bar, it's lit up. Did that one light up too? No, it's broken, but that one lit up. Look how bright that is. Woo! Yeah. Not bad. I guess I gotta climb my ass up here, huh? So the steering and everything looks good. Brake says brake. Let me take the parking brake off. Uh-oh. Is it a lever? Oh, it's broke. Oh, shit. Well, I don't know how you're gonna get the parking brake off. Let's see if she goes into gear. Brakes look good. She goes into gear. Yep. She sounds damn good too. Not go front, she sounds damn good. That AC is cold as shit. We'll take it. This one does not look bad. I mean, it's a cloth interior. You can see it's kind of nasty over there. There's dip cans and shit in the door. And it's a redneck's truck, man. Dog hair, which means I had a dog. I had butt dirt. We call this ass crack dust back there. You know, uh-oh. Safety glasses, so they was a working type of person. Another switch up here. They had switches all over this damn thing. These were for the light bars. I don't know what that was for. Maybe the interior, who knows. But not bad, not a bad truck. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. We got a few more we're gonna look at. We'll see how long this video is, but yeah, not bad so far. Well, so overall this F-150 I think is a win. I mean, it's a base model of base models on the interior, as you guys can see. Itty bitty display, everything's a touch button, you know, a physical button, cloth interior, smells a little bit like ass, dog hair and cigarettes, dip cans, you know, it's a truck. Wow, he came flying through here, huh? All right, now we got to climb our ass down. Wow, that is a long way down. That's a nicely lifted truck, if you ask me. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Back seats didn't look bad. It looks clean, man, for the most part. Pretty friggin' clean, man. Huh. Well, let's keep it on moving and go check out the next one. All right. Got a lot of Rams out here, man. I don't know. They have a really high resale value, so usually the insurance companies don't send those back, or you know, unless you own, like if you own them, then they will do it. But this is a 2500. It is a Cummins. It's a Ram. Looks like it's going to be a tradesman probably by its spec with the lighting and whatnot. Just see this little damage right here, and it looks like we got some hail damage, or just dings and scratches back here, huh? Yeah, she's a bighorn. I don't want to call this a food stamp edition, but you know what it is. Does not start at 47,000 miles, so that is probably why it's here. Let's look and see. Ooh, Jesus Christ, that's disgusting. All right, let's see what she does. right, well, she doesn't start, that's for sure. Well, that one's disgusting. Not much to really look forward on that one. And well, we'll go from a diesel Ram to a gas one. All right, guys, so we're gonna roll over here and we're going from a diesel Ram to a gas Ram. Now there's another Cummins right next to it. We'll probably take a look at that one, the 2500 heavy duty, but I wanted to look at this 5.7 first. 28,000 miles on her, metal. I mean, this thing is, when we're talking about just an overall looks like a clean truck, this one completely fits that bill. Rims, got the fuel rims on it, right? It looks really clean. Oh, she took a hit to the rear. I don't see any ding in the cabin. Yeah, she took a massive hit to the rear, probably bent the frame down. That's what did it. That would not scare me though. That would not scare me at all. This is like a brand new truck with only 28,000 miles on it. I mean, my Challenger's got more miles on it. Oh, it's a food stamp edition though. Damn. I don't know what it is about the 5.7, man. You fire it up and I don't care what it is, it's just gonna tick away. Interior looks good. Doesn't even have a screen. It's so base model. It's got the tiniest LED screen. Doesn't look like the AC is working. Or is it? Nope. She smells like fuel bad. I'm gonna shut her down. Could have a fuel leak. We're not gonna mess with that. Well, damn, and here I think I see her from the front. You know, fellas, sometimes you see something from the front, you're like, oh my gosh, that thing is super bad, and then you see it from the back and you're like, oh no, oh no. Well, let's look at the Ram that's directly next to it. We got a 2500 fender and suspension damage for sure. Mirror busted. Oh, it's a Laramie. It's a nice one. Mirror's in here though. This glass is broken. Okay. She's not horrible. 85,000 miles, that's nothing for a Cummins, man. Bed cover. 4x4. Oh yeah, this one will sell. And somebody will definitely put this one back on the road. I have zero doubt in my mind. This one will 100% be back on the road at some point. 82,119 miles. Look at that. Yeah, that one doesn't. This one right here doesn't surprise me at all. I could see this one going back. Let's look and see if she runs though. I didn't try to start it. I'll try to give her. Does she got power? No. Oh no, she does. She has power. All right, let's see. Let's see if she. Dang, you got rust in there. That's oof. Let's see if she'll fire up. Glow plug light off. Nope. Yeah, she's too dead. Sorry guys. Somebody will definitely get this Laramie back on the road though. It's too nice. It's not that far gone. Somebody will definitely fix that. I don't know about that one. It just looks pretty. And we get to another Duramax. We got a 2500 long bed HD, 229,000 miles. It's got the road armor bumper. Want that for the truck. 229,000 miles on this one, huh? Oof. All right. It smells like straight Badusi in here. You need some antibacterial shit in here. It smells like weed and Badusi. Glow plug light is off. She runs. I don't know, man. A lot of guys are Cummins dudes. You know. I just personally am a Duramax guy. I just like the Duramax, man. I like the sound. This Ford is done for. Say it with me. Toasty. I just like the sound, man. They sound good. I've never had issues. Like I said, I think the only issue I ever had out of a Duramax was when my my 3500 blew an injector pump, but that was at like 460,000 friggin' miles. All right, this interior is not bad. Evidently, whoever had this truck did paint. You can see all the different types of paint or flooring or whatever the hell that is here. So, yeah, they were a contractor. All right, well, that makes sense. Well, let's look and see. Oh, it's got the manual stuff on the floor. I love that. Let's look and see if the AC works. You know, that's important. Suspension feels fine. She steers. Ooh, wait a minute. Hold on. This ain't got no emissions on it. I like this. Look in that mirror. Let me just put y'all out the window real quick. This is why I have the extension. So I'm gonna put y'all out the window. Yes, sir. She rolls cold, baby. I like this. I like this a lot. This is not bad. Unfortunately, it does not look like the air conditioner works at all. She's just blowing hot air. So that's something else you'd have to look at. Yeah. Nope. Well, she runs. And runs good. Runs really good if you ask me. I like this. This Duramax roll coal like crazy, man. I like this one a lot. Well, let me know what you guys think about this Duramax in the comment section. But as far as I'm concerned, that thing right there, beauty, man. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Which of the trucks do you think is the best deal? I'm kind of partial to the Duramax. The Avalanche is kind of cool, but the 2500 GMC Duramax is kind of dope. Damn it, that's cough, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to go subscribe to Dizzle in Motion, link in the description down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one.